Hi everyone, it's Molly. I've been painting all night. I've had a couple successes and a couple failures. So I'm gonna try this one. I had some different colors. I bought some manganese blue and some phthalo turquoise that seems really pretty. So I thought I would play with these colors on some black negative space with the Baster injection technique. Make sure you subscribe if you like it, hit the like button, comment, let me know what you think, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So, I have my cup, I have some white in there already, and I wanna show you guys the consistency of the white. It literally just goes straight back into the cup. No sitting, no nothing. I've mixed this with 1 part paint to about a 1/4 part pouring medium, and then added water for consistency. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So you guys will wanna make sure that if you're working with paints like this, you need to have some type of pouring medium in your paint before you water it down. If you just do water and you put too much, you'll see that the color loses its pigment. It's not as bright. And they won't dry very colorful. So you want to definitely make sure that you add some type of pigment binder. So whether that be liquitex pouring medium, some other Deco Art version pouring medium, GAC 800. It's my opinion that you need one of those in there at least. Don't want to use too much paint in the cup because I do want some negative space. So this is definitely more like soupy ice cream. Here's that phthalo turquoise. That's really pretty. Gonna add a little bit more white. I really don't want to do it with the baster because I don't want to get any other colors in it. So I may just add the white on top. Pouring from up high. Some more gold. Clean that out. Some more dark blue. And I'll put all my colors down below and everything, so don't worry. My pouring medium and what I said. You guys tell me, what have you been struggling with as far as painting goes? What has been something that you wish you could have gotten, but you haven't? And then I'm gonna add some more white on top. So tell me, what have you been struggling with? Consistency? Have you been struggling with color combinations? Okay. Okay. Let me move my cups out of the way. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I put a little bit of iridescent medium in the white so that it would be shimmery. So we'll see if that changes the effect that I've been getting with the white. Got some pretty cells that are happening here already from the gold. I have repainted and reused this canvas 3 times tonight, so that tells you how my night has been going. So actually not a ton of that white came through, but that's okay. Slide it back that way. Okay. Very pretty. I'm going to hit this with a torch, see what happens. So I didn't actually get a lot of white that came through there at all, you guys, which is okay. Where did my torch go? Oh, here it is on this side. So I like these little bubbles that came through here. So I torched that area. I'm going to leave that area alone. I like what happened there. Some stuff popped up along those edges. Some of the black came through over here. Now I'm just going along for any air bubbles, to pop any air bubbles. And I may stretch this a little bit more. Whoops. I really like this little sea that happened over here of colors. Very cool. That was my husband outside. Please excuse him. And because I painted my sides already, those look really cool as well. All right, so let me take you down and show you what I got. I'm actually gonna blow this off right here. Just the only part I'm not liking is that part up there, so I'm just going to tilt this just a little bit. Oop, I lost both my ones on that side now. So I just wasn't loving that composition. I like this a little bit better. Okay, I'll take you down. You can look at it. Reminds me kind of not Earth because of the black, but kind of like the gas of a planet. All right, let me wipe my hands. I'll take you down and I'll show you. And again, you guys, let me know what you've been struggling with. Let's see if we can address it, work on it. Maybe I can make a video about it. All right, I'll take you down. Okay. So the light glare is over here, so I'll come from this way. So I've got these really cool cells happening right here. Got a little something happening down there. Got some lacing right there. I'm loving those little black cells that popped through. Got some more right up there. And then some black lacing that happened over here on this side. So not totally in love with that iridescent medium. I don't really see any difference right now. but I'll let you guys know if I do later. And there she is. Let's take you this way. There she is. So, all right. Thank you guys. Happy painting. Goodbye.